If you've been looking for a way to get free internet access or very cheap internet access to browse on your phone every day, every month, every week, and all the time, and you haven't found it, you have just stumbled to the right channel. So, in this channel, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get a whooping 2.5 gigabyte worth of data to browse on your phone, and it's what monthly. It lasts for a month. Okay, it will last for a month for you, and you will browse all the time, no interruptions. It's very easy to get access to it. This it is very easy to get access to this, and anyone can do it. Welcome everyone, this is Aminet Media Finance. If you're just joining us for the first time, you can just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification if you haven't done that, so that you get notifications of the subsequent videos we'll be posting for you every day, every time, so that you get updated. All right, and if you have not watched our previous video on how to get free internet access every day guaranteed, you can just go to our previous video and watch it right now. So 2.5 gigabyte worth of data, let's get into it right now. Stay with me. Okay, here we are. I'm going to be going step by step so that you understand it. And the first thing you need to do is to download an app. Yeah, you will say all the time we are downloading an app. Yes, those apps help us. Those apps help us to get access to those internet access. Okay, whether it's free or very cheap, they help us. So the first app you need to get here, the previous app we used in the previous video is right here. I'm not going to tell you, find out yourself in the previous video. So it's called 24 what am I doing, what a tongue twister. It's called 24 Clan VPN. I'm opening it right now. This is the latest version of this app, right? You can see it at the top, 24 Clan VPN Lite. That is the app you need to go and download right now. So if you want to do that now, pause this video, go and download it on Google Play Store. It is free of charge. You're not paying anything for it. So how do we get this 2.5 gigabyte worth of data monthly subscription to browse on our phone? Right. The first thing you need to do, and I have to tell you, this is for Nine Mobile users. So if you don't have a Nine Mobile SIM card, you need to go and buy one right now. You need to get one right now, or you find someone who can give you one right now. It works on all SIM. All right, it works on all the Nine Mobile SIMs, whether it's Etisalat, because what I'm using right now is Etisalat SIM, which is Nine Mobile. All right, so download this app. Then what you need to do is, first of all, you have to have a balance credit of, yes, I mentioned balance credit. You might be pissed off right now because you think it's free, but it is very cheap. I promise you that 2.5 gig, all you need is just 350 naira worth of credit on your phone, all right, or your Nine Mobile SIM, or it is last SIM. So I'm going to check my data now so that you see it. Stay with me, stay with me. All right, this is what it's. Sorry, the format was wrong. What did I do? Sorry, it was 232. I did 223. That was the wrong one. Okay, you can see here I have a balance of 350 naira. This is enough to do this trick. All right. Oh, you will say it's not worth it. I'm not here to waste your time. You will know it's worth it, because if you purchase a normal data of 2.5 gigabyte, okay, without this trick, all right, it will be very high. It will be higher than what I'm going to show you right now. So what do you want to do? The first thing you want to do here is just go to your dialer. Okay, open your dial pad like I opened before. Then you're gonna dial this. All right, first of all, I'm going to show you that I have 0 MB. Okay, I know this getting boring. I'm going to show you that I have 0 MB. So start to 229, sorry, 228 ash. So your request is processing. Please wait. So let's wait for that SMS to come in right now in just a few seconds. All right, you can see you have 0 MB. All right, that is what I wanted to know. So I'm going to dial the code you need to dial right now to get the 2.5 gig with the 350 naira. And the code is *343 *6 *9 hash. Okay, I send it. Choose my line, Etisalat 9 mobile. Alright, you can see select one for auto renewal. I don't want auto renewal. No, I never ever gonna click on that. Okay, so I click on 2, select 2 because I want just one time. So that if I want to do it again, then I'll load and do it again. Alright, so you have selected one off plan. Your request is being processed. Okay, so guys, that is the only thing you need to do there. Now come back to the app. You see, it brings me a message. You have successfully subscribed to whatever it is I subscribe to. It's a social plan actually. So I opened the app. I say you should download. I hope you have it right now. Download it so that you can follow me up. If you don't have it downloaded, just download it now. Come back to this video and follow suit like I'm doing it. So I open my app here. All right, what you want to do is, this app is set up already by itself. It doesn't need you to maybe upload a file or import a file. Like in the other video I did, you have to import a file, right, which I shared. Okay, so here everything is in this app. Right, everything you need is in this app. So what you need to do is click on, you see where the word server 6. All right, I actually changed it to server 6. It has a bunch of servers here. Okay, so I click on it, server 6. It opens the bunch of servers that you can choose from. All right, so what you need to do is to click on auto select. I'll tell you why I am always using this server 6. Okay, auto select. All right, so you can choose any server of your choice. All right, so let me tell you why I choose that 6 server. Is because there are some apps or some website that I open on my phone, and if I use this auto select, it's mostly likely to choose a US IP address. Okay, so whenever I log into those sites, we do not support a US membership. All right, so those sites lock me out. All right, I cannot access my account in those sites because they don't accept US citizens. So you have to choose whatever works for you. So if this auto doesn't disturb you, you can always choose it. So after that, click on the one below that says 9 mobile 500 MB. Okay, now you see what you have to do is choose 2 gig social pack, because that is what I subscribe for, 2 gig social pack. Now I'm going to show you something before I come back here. So I'm going to go back to my dialer. Stay with me. Every process I'm going through is very important that you understand it so that you don't make mistakes. All right, so I'm going to check my data right now. Follow me, all right, just follow me. This is very important that you know it so that you don't make mistakes. I repeat. So let's wait for the SMS to come in so that we view it. I just checked my data right now. Stay with me. If you don't understand this part, you are definitely going to make a mistake. All right, so you have to understand this part. Okay, so it says, dear customer, your social pack, blah blah blah. Your social pack balance is at whatever it is 500 MB valid till whenever it is valid to. It's a 1 month pack. All right, it's a 1 month pack. Now you see it I said it was 2.5 gig, right? But why are they showing me 500 MB? You would ask that question. So that's why I brought you here, so that I explained something to you. So I'm going to go back to the application, the VPN that I told you to download. I hope you're following right now. I hope you've downloaded it and you're following very well. Okay, so what that is without this VPN, if you're browsing right now, let me on my data. All right, I on my data. If you're browsing right now, it cannot browse. All right, let's try that out. The only things that will be going that will be browsing in your phone is the only things that will gain access to internet is your social media. Any other thing cannot get access. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. You understand what I mean now? Twitter. Those are the things that will gain access to the internet. But every other thing cannot gain access. Let's try that out. It will hardly gain access. Okay. And open a YouTube channel here because I think that's where we are right now. Let's see if it's gonna open. I want you to understand this well. I want you to understand this very, very well. I love using YouTube for my access. You can see above it, all right? I subscribe for an MB, but you can see above it, it says no internet connection. So I'm going to try to open YouTube right now. The one you see it open is just a catch, all right? Is a catch in my phone that it opened. It's a saved catch, all right? Just a memory that it opened. So I'm going to go to youtube.com. Let's see if it opens here. Stay with me. This is very important. All the steps I'm following are very important so that you understand it. You see, it couldn't open it. It will say the site is not reachable or something. All right, this site can't be reached because, and you can see my WhatsApp messages are popping up. All right, why my WhatsApp has an internet connection, but the YouTube and the rest of it, the Google Chrome doesn't have an internet connection because it's a social media plan. Now, how do we use it? That's where the app I told you to download, which I believe you've downloaded it by now, is important. All right. So we're going to go back to that app right now. All right, we are back in the app. All right, so the 2 gig, we didn't see it when I checked my balance, right? We didn't see it. So what I want to tell you now is hidden. So without this app, you cannot gain access to that 2 gig. All right, that is very simple. So without this app, once you have chosen the auto by clicking the first one, choose the auto. Oh, why it keeps doing that? So you're not gonna mind it. So you see, auto select. I auto select. You choose any server you want. Then you go to the one at the bottom of it and choose the 2 gig social plan. Make sure you are choosing the 2 gig social plan, because if you keep browsing with the 500 that you see in your balance and it finishes, you can never ever use this 2 gig. All right, it's a promise. You cannot use it. You won't be able to use it when that 500 finishes. So you'll have to go here, check the 2 gig plan first and use it before you go. When it finishes, then you can click again, then choose the 500 MB and use it. All right, when it is exhausted, you can exhaust it in a day if you want. You can, depending on how heavy how heavy browser you are. All right, if you do heavy things online, it might take you like a month, a week or 2 weeks. All right, for me it depends on what you do with it. All right, don't just go start watching videos and want your 2 gig to last very well, last for a month, but it will last for you. It works. It's just a perfect 2 gig, not a 2 gig that jumps. Like if you use 1 MB, it records 2 MB, not like that. All right, so this is what you do. Use the 2 gig first, use the 500 MB, and that is it for you. So once you have chosen your 2 gig, it's very simple. I know you understand it right now. Choose about my 2 gig, then you click on the red icon. Right, you see the red icon in the inside the circle, white circle. Right, you click on it, then it connects. It's saying connecting. Follow me so that you see we test run everything and it's working perfectly fine. Disconnected. We'll do it again. Sometimes you might have to click it twice if it disconnects like that before it connects. All right, connecting. Authenticating. That means it has connected. It will write connecting right now in a few seconds. Good. Now I can go back. You're always showing this advert. All right, you can just close it out and go where you want to go. So I can go back to YouTube. Just what's going to happen right now. YouTube is going to open by its own accord. All right, because it has an internet access right now through the app I said you should download. So if you've gotten up to this point, guys, congratulations. You have 2.5 gigabyte worth of data on your phone to browse for a month with just a token of 350 naira compared to the normal subscription you would have done if you're a nine mobile user. So if you don't have nine mobile, you should get one right now so that you can enjoy this trick while it lasts, and it's lasting for a long time. As far as the social plan exists, this trick will exist and it will work all the time. I use it all the time. I've shared it with so many friends and I decided to share with you. If this video was helpful, you don't want to miss subscribing because there are all the cool videos coming around for you to check it out and to help you do some tweaks and tricks and maybe finances and all the rest of it. Subscribe right now, that's what I mean, and you have to click on the like button if it was cool, really cool. All right, okay. And if you don't like this video, you can give me a review in the comment section below. You can click a thumbs down. You can click it twice just to make sure, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, very important. Hit it and change the settings so that you receive every notification when I post new videos on this channel. It will be coming and hitting you right where you want it, and you will like it, I promise you. See you on the next video, everyone.